Guys, welcome back. I'm Dr. Chada, and this is...
I'm Steven, otherwise known as the Bearded Techie on YouTube. I got a small YouTube channel and a little bit of an Instagram following if you guys want to check that stuff out. I've gotten into a car accident in about 2016, 2015, right around there, and I've had some back issues and neck issues ever since then. And my man here helps me out with that, and I decided I wanted to get adjusted on camera.
All right, so here we go. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to palpate, as always. So quiet and creepy. First I'm going to go right here. I should relax back into my hand. Step over here. Do the same thing up here. It's going to be a little snugger. Go right there, bring that chin up. There. Right here. Just relax back. Try not to turn with me. I'll come to your channel. Showing you how to... There we go. That's it, my man. Go face down for me when you're ready. Just right here, your right leg is either short or your left leg is long. I'm going to touch your waist to find out which one's which, okay?
Alrighty.
When I press down there, your leg's balanced out, so I know that's the issue. And now I'm going to check out everything else. So at any time anything hurts, gets uncomfortable, just let me know. Ah! Take a nice deep breath for me. Let it all out. Just relax. Hope that hurt. All right. One more time. Deep breath. Let it all out. Right here, I'm going to press my right hand down. I'm going to push your head to the side. Right there. Go this side up for me. Alright. Keep that bottom leg straight. I'm going to do is put this arm here. Rotate your whole upper body. Going right there. Hope your butt crack's hanging out. Just kind of try to scare people. Right there, go face up. Actually,
I'm brittle.
you got good range of motion considering your jeans are so tight.
They're stretchy.
Is that what it is?
Oh yeah. Oh, I can't wear regular denim.
So come on up.
Okay.